Hey y'all, Chelsea here at Rolling Equity Leasing. Wanted to give you a quick peek at our first new 2026 Freightliner Cascadia Gen 5 sleeper that rolled off the lot this week. These beauties come fully loaded with the Detroit DD15 engine, 455 horsepower, and 1,750 pound-feet of torque. That's strength and efficiency for long hauls, backed by Detroit's Gen 5 updates for fuel economy and performance. You've also got the DT12 12-speed overdrive transmission, air disc brakes all around, and Detroit Assurance safety tech, lane keep assist, active braking, adaptive cruise, the works. On the comfort side, 72 inches raised roof, dual Elite 2.0 air ride seats with heat and ventilation, built-in fridge, and even a microwave shelf and inverter setup. These are true driver-first sleepers. And yes, this is the Elite exterior trim package, painted fairings, dual heated mirrors, aerodynamic spoilers, all the bells and whistles that say, yeah, I do take pride in my ride. If you're running line haul, need a truck that's carb-friendly, SmartWay certified, and ready to roll coast to coast, we got 'em. Give us a shout via email at sales@teamrel.com, or just tag us if you see one out on the road. These sleepers won't be here long.